Welcome to Timeless Prosperity. In this video, we proceed with Chapter 8. Chapter 8. Planes of Correspondence. As above, so below. As below, so above. The Kybalion. The core idea, simply stated. Everything in the universe follows the same patterns, just at different levels. Think of it like this. A piano has low notes, middle notes, and high notes. They sound different, but they're all made the same way, strings vibrating. Learn the pattern on one key, and you understand them all. That's the principle of correspondence. The laws that govern atoms also govern galaxies. The patterns in your mind mirror the patterns in the cosmos. Study one level, and you start understanding them all. What is a plane? And no, it's not a place. People often ask, is a plane a location? A dimension? A state of mind? Short answer. It's a level of vibration. Here's the simple version. Everything vibrates. Principle number 3. Slow vibration equals dense matter, like a rock. Faster vibration equals energy, light, thought. Extremely fast vibration equals spirit, pure consciousness. A plane is just a range on the vibration scale, like a radio frequency band. Here are a few common everyday analogies and what it means. Radio stations. Each station broadcasts on a different frequency. You tune in to hear it. Light spectrum. Red light vibrates slower than blue light, but both are light. Volume knob. Same song, different intensity. Same reality, different vibration level. So, planes aren't places you travel to. They're levels of awareness, energy, and expression you align with. Breaking down the physical plane, 7 minor levels. Even the physical plane has layers. Think of it like zooming in on reality. Minor plane, matter A. What it is. Solids, liquids, gases. What science usually studies. Simple analogy. Ice, water, steam. Minor plane, matter B. What it is. Subtler matter, like radium, radiant energy. Simple analogy. Glow-in-the-dark paint, X-rays. Minor plane, matter C. What it is. Ultra-subtle matter, not yet detected by mainstream science. Simple analogy. Like dark matter, real, but hard to measure. Minor plane, ethereal substance. What it is. The ether. A superfine medium that carries light, energy, signals. Simple analogy. Like Wi-Fi for the universe, invisible, but essential. Minor plane, energy A. What it is. Known forces. Heat, light, magnetism, electricity, gravity. Simple analogy. Sunlight, a magnet, your phone's battery. Minor plane, energy B. What it is. Nature's finer forces, energy behind psychic phenomena, intuition. Simple analogy. The gut feeling that turns out to be right. Minor plane, energy C. What it is. Highly organized energy that acts almost like life, used by advanced beings. Simple analogy. Like a supercharged life force, unthinkable to us now. Key insight. Matter isn't stuff. It's just energy vibrating slowly. So even the physical plane is fundamentally mental. Breaking down the mental plane, 7 minor levels. This is where life and mind unfold. Again, 7 layers, ascending. Minor plane, mineral mind. What it includes. The inner life of atoms, crystals, chemicals. Simple example. Atoms attract or repel, like tiny preferences. Minor plane, elemental mind A. What it includes. Unseen entities between mineral and plant life. Simple example. Like nature spirits in folklore, but real, subtle beings. Minor plane, plant mind. What it includes. The consciousness of plants. Growth, response, adaptation. Simple example. A sunflower turning toward the sun equals a form of choice. Minor plane, elemental mind B. What it includes. entities bridging plant and animal awareness. Simple example. Think. The spirit of the forest in myths. Minor plane, animal mind. What it includes: instinct, emotion, basic learning, familiar to us. Simple example. A dog's loyalty, a bird's migration, intelligence with feeling. Minor plane, elemental mind C. What it includes: semi-human unseen beings, high intuition. Simple example. Like guides, muses, or archetypal energies. Minor plane, human mind. What it includes: reason, self-awareness, creativity, moral choice. Simple example. You. Reading this, choosing, growing. Note. Most humans today operate around the fourth sub-level of human mind. The sixth is like Superman, highly evolved wisdom. The seventh is like Overman, near spiritual mastery. We're all on the path. Progress takes time, and that's okay. Helpful analogy here. The elemental planes are like the black keys on a piano. You can play music with just white keys, but the black keys add depth, connection, and transition. They're the in-between states that help evolution leap from one kingdom to the next. The spiritual plane, words fall short, but let's try. How do you describe color to someone who's never seen? That's the challenge here. But in simple terms, beings on the spiritual plane are to us what we are to an earthworm. Their bodies may be made of pure light or organized energy. Their thoughts are instantaneous, their love unconditional, their wisdom vast. The types of being and their role, in simple terms: 1. Masters and adepts, highly evolved humans who chose to stay and help others rise. 2. Angels and archangels, beings of guidance, protection, and cosmic service. 3. Demigods and gods, extremely advanced souls, so wise and powerful, ancient cultures called them deities. A crucial reminder here is, even these exalted beings are still within the all. They are not the all itself. They are mortal, in the cosmic sense, subject to universal law, and still evolving. They're like elder siblings on the path, not the source itself. A serious warning. Power is not equal to wisdom. The text gives a sobering note. Spiritual power can be used for good or harm. Principle number 4, polarity. Those who seek power for selfish reasons, on any plane, eventually fall. The swing of the pendulum of rhythm will inevitably swing them back. This is the root of legends about fallen angels. It's not punishment. It's law. Misuse energy, then lose alignment, then return to lower levels to relearn. But even then, redemption is always possible. The path is upward, for everyone. The big takeaway here: all 7 principles work everywhere. No matter which plane you're on, physical, mental, or spiritual, all 7 hermetic principles are in operation. Let me illustrate by first naming the principle and then how it shows up on every plane. Mentalism. Everything is held in infinite mind. Correspondence. Patterns repeat. Atoms, solar systems, thoughts. Vibration. Different planes equals different vibration rates. Polarity. Every plane has opposites: hot, cold, love, fear, creation, dissolution. Rhythm. Cycles exist everywhere: breath, seasons, civilizations, cosmic ages. Cause and effect. Choices have consequences, on every level. Gender. Creation always needs both initiating and nurturing energy. As above, so below. As below, so above. This isn't poetry. It's a practical tool for understanding anything. Simple summary. Planes equals levels of vibration, not places. Correspondence equals patterns repeat. Learn one level, understand others. You're on the human mind plane, and you're growing. Higher beings exist, but they're fellow travelers, not gods to worship. All 7 principles apply everywhere, so study them, live them, master them. And most importantly, you don't need to go anywhere to access higher planes. You shift your vibration through focus, intention, alignment, and you tune in. Like changing the station on a radio.